Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Great Handyman's Home Remodeling Videos. I've showed you many times how to mix mortars, so we're going to completely skip all of that, and we're going to go into tile design.
As you can see right here, I've already got my first row of 16 by 16 tiles. And when I say 16 by 16, it doesn't always mean they're exactly 16. These particular tiles are 15 5/8. And I want to lay this in a subway pattern, which is similar to a brick pattern, only bricks are rectangle. This is subway, which is squares. So I want to find dead center of this tile, so I can lay the next tile half on this and half on this. So I've come up with a measurement of 7 3/4, and if I mark right here, and then measure right here, is 7 3/4. 7 3/4 this way, like I said. It's a nice little perfect spot where the center of the tile is going to be. And of course, after it's all buttered, I'm just going to line it up. This part that I made on this tile. Pencil mark that I made on this tile. Once we get this one set, we can do the whole row, then come back and start the next row. This is the vent that I popped a hole in yesterday, so we can find it today. In a minute I'll be taking a hammer and chipping this out so the vent will fit back down in there. Of course, this is going to require some custom cuts. We'll have to take these tiles to the saw. But in this episode, we're just going to concern ourselves with the pattern that we're laying. It's a random subway pattern. So I'm going to get this entire row done, and we'll continue. So you can see how this subway pattern is coming together now, and how I'm randomly placing the darker tiles just wherever I think it looks good. So we're going to continue this process and get this entire floor finished. Okay, I think we got a really good start on this. We got several of the tiles laid, and you can see the random tiles that I've been putting in of the darker color. This over here, I haven't tore completely out yet. This goes into the toilet area. But I'm trying to leave that alone for the customer over the weekend, because today's Friday and we'll be back tomorrow, but we're not going to be doing a whole lot of work in this area. We have a few other projects we need to accomplish. Well, that's as far as we're going to get today on this project. We'll have to pick this up our next episode. Until then, this is Great Handyman saying thanks for watching Great Handyman's Home Remodeling Videos. We'll see you real soon. Stay tuned for part 3.